Hello everyone, how's it going? So welcome to the channel, and today we'll do a quick and fun test and we'll see how cool those two cars get within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and we'll see how long we will run this test. The plan is I will have two thermometers here, and they should show the same temperatures, but they do not. You know, this one is at 89.8, that one is at 90.5, and I don't know why. They've been out here for half an hour, but you know, they were cheap. Maybe that's just the way they are made. Anyways, we'll put one on the console in the middle of the Mustang here, and we'll put the other one in the Tesla. Then I will start the Mustang with the push start button inside of the car, and then I will start at the same time the Tesla with my remote, which is my cell phone, and we'll select the lowest temperature possible and we'll see what happens. Which one will cool down faster? Is the Tesla or the Shelby here? And which one will be the coldest in about 10-20 minutes? Is it the Shelby or is it the Mustang? We'll find out. We have here a naturally aspirated V8 and we have here an EV. So I know that the cabin size is different in those cars, and I'll figure it out and put it in the video. So the cabin size is different, but this is not a scientific test. This is just a test for fun because it's hot out there. We have 95 degrees today. I mean, I should do this test outside. What do you think? But no, we'll do it in here. So, because I would do it outside, the sun radiates more into the Tesla, probably because the glass roof, than the Shelby here. So that wouldn't be fair, right? Also, the windows are tinted in different shades. So that's why we'll do the test inside and not outside. Okay, let's get going. We'll take these, we'll put them in the cars. Put this one here in this Shelby here. I put it right here in the middle, and I did adjust the vents so they don't directly blow on the on my thermometer, because that wouldn't be fair either. And I put this one right here. Let's see, sneak in here, right there. All right, so we can read it. Good spot. I'll get my phone ready. I'll do that with my other hand here, and so I'm ready to turn those cars on. Okay, let's get in the Shelby, turn it on, and I'll at the same time turn the AC on my Tesla. I'll do that as good as I can all together here. Here's the thermometer, it's right here. You see it? Right there. Sorry guys, I got interrupted there, and but that's okay. I just left for a moment. Sometimes things happen. This is, like I said, not a professional channel where you have a cameraman and where everything runs smooth. This sometimes stuff happens, and yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, let's turn this guy on, set the temperature right away at the lowest point, close the door, and in the meantime, while I get out, I'll turn the Tesla on, and I do that on my phone here. I'll show you exactly where I do that. I do it right here. Hold on. Here, that's the climate app. You know, we can turn the heated seats on, which I won't do, of course, but I can turn the on, and now it's at 71. I'll turn it the lowest when I turn it on. If I do it now, it will start, I think. So anyways, let's turn the Shelby on. We'll leave the muffler closed. We don't want it too loud in here. All right, ready? Let's wait for the screen to come. AC is still off, so that's fair because the phone is not on yet. The Tesla is not on yet. I call it the phone. Huh. Okay, I don't want the map. I want climate. I want to go lowest on both sides. Okay, AC AC's not on. Now we'll leave the cooled seats off. We'll turn just the AC on. Okay, let me get my phone out so I do it at the same time. There we go, max AC. Okay, that was the Ford honking. They always do that. And I'll turn this down. Here we go. Let's see if you guys can see this at low. Okay. So we have the AC on both sides. This one is running on low. That one is running on low. Let's turn the timer on. And in 5 minutes, I'll be back. And I'll take you guys and we'll look at the thermometer, see what we see, okay? So hang on there. See you in 5 minutes. 5 minutes 28, and on the app here, the Tesla tells me 61 degrees already. Can you believe that? That's hard to believe. So let's go check on that. It's cool in here. It says 83 on here, 61 degrees in the car. That's weird, but maybe it's just that thermometer there that's showing warmer because there's all the plastic in the housing. But it feels more like the 60s than the 80s in there. Let's look at this thing here. 75, and honestly it feels about the same cool in here. So let's let this run. I hate that feature that it always honks. Let's let this run a little longer and see what will happen, because I think this is very interesting that shows 83 in the Tesla and on the app 63. Doesn't make sense. The Mustang is cooler than I thought it would be. 5 minutes, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing. All right, we'll come back. All right, are you all ready for this? Now we got 11 minutes. Let's go have a look. Let's do this guy here first this time. 68.9, and it feels cool in there. 73, and it feels cool in the Tesla as well. Okay, give it a little more, a little longer, and then we'll see what's going on. I don't know where the difference comes from, because the app for the Tesla is in the 50s, so there's a little bit of a difference. But you know, you can't always trust the apps. And who knows where the Tesla thermometer, the thermostat, where does that sit in the car? We don't know. I'll find out. Okay, hang on there. I'll be back. We are now at almost 20 minutes, and the Tesla tells me the interior temp is 51 and the exterior is 92, so 92 degrees Fahrenheit. And I believe the exterior, because we saw that earlier, and 2 degrees I added because I hear the Mustang already has the fan on because it gets warm, and it is very hot in the garage. I think we'll close this here. We'll go look at it one more time, and then we'll turn the cars off and see how long it takes till it gets back to warm. No, that's the Tesla that has a fan on. Listen, Tesla has a fan on to cool down. What about the Shelby? Nope, it's great without a fan. Isn't that good? So let's go have a look here, see what we have. $63 degrees in the Shelby, and 66, so we're very close. Okay, let's turn those guys off. Let's turn this one off first. Here, I'll show it to you so you know I'm not cheating. Climate off. Whoop, I turn it back on. Hold on. Climate off. Okay. This one here, you know that I'm not cheating, because I push the start button and it's off. Okay, it's closing. All right, so 63 versus 66. I do believe it's accurate right now. because this car here has a lot smaller cab. You know, it's a lot smaller. It has a solid roof, so the heat cannot get out as much. The Tesla there, it's now responding, has a larger interior, it has a larger cab plus a trunk. This one has a trunk, but there are seats that separate. So of course this should get cooler faster than that Tesla, because the Tesla is considered an SUV. It's more like a crossover, but it's considered an SUV. So that makes complete sense. Next time we'll test the Tesla with the Ford Explorer, but since this was driving earlier on and was warm, I thought that would not be a fair test. All right, so that's why I chose the Tesla and the Mustang. To my surprise, the Mustang here did a pretty good job. You know, I really didn't think it was that great. This generation of Mustangs is not known for having the best AC, so it did a pretty good job. So good job there. The Tesla does an excellent job too for the larger cabin and to cool down quick. Now, why does it show such a big difference between the app and real life? I don't know. And the way to find out is we'll do the same test again when it's cold, and we'll turn the heater on, and that time we'll do it outside on a cloudy day, so the sun is not a factor, and we'll see what happens. And we'll may do it with the two SUVs here and see what it shows. That might be a fun idea. Also a fun idea to see how hot it can get in a Tesla. Tesla's has the cabin feature, what's it called? Cabin overheat protection, see? And you can turn that on, and then you can select a temperature 90, 95, and 100. And if it reaches that, the setting you put in, the AC turns on. So when you park outside in the heat, you know that your car, your Tesla, will never get above 90, 95, or 100 degrees. Excellent feature actually for the summer. Makes it a lot nicer when you get in the car. When you get in this thing here, it's a really stuffy hot box, and it's not very pleasant to get in. But Tesla is always more pleasant to get in on a hot stuffy day. Same with the Mustang, it's kind of stuffy and warm in there. But it has those cooled seats, and they're excellent. The Tesla, shame on Tesla, no cooled seats, not even vented seats. This guy here has vented seats. And the town car has no vented seats and no cooled seats, but it has heated seats. Like all three here have heated seats as well. Good, this is not the end of the video, but almost. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to wait another 10 minutes and we'll check the temperatures one last time. And then we'll be done for today. And I'll set the correct temperature so if I drive to work tomorrow, it won't get too cold, because we'll be having a hot night here, but I still don't want it too cold in the morning. All right, guys, wait one more time and we'll see what our cheap little thermometers show. All right, guys, we're in about 15 minutes, and I'll take these thermometers out of the cars now. Let's see what we got here. 71. See, that goes up a little bit, but still cooler than out here. Let's put that here carefully. Take this one out too. Okay, let's see. 75. Yeah, but I know why I did this video. Just for fun and for entertainment, and of course for you guys. And I have a lot of more fun ideas coming. So I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. Please do subscribe. You know that's coming. Always comes when you do YouTube. Please do subscribe. Please push the thumbs up button. And come back for more. Have a great night.